Hello everyone, today we are going to start our second unit test syllabus. So our first chapter is formation of interrogative sentences, chapter number 5. So what is the interrogative sentences? You already have learnt about this thing in the previous term. Sentences, types of sentences. How many types of sentences are there? You know very well. Assertive sentences, exclamatory sentences, interrogative sentences and optative sentences. Now, what are the interrogative sentences? Is there anyone who can give me the answer of definition of interrogative sentences? Okay. Now, the interrogative sentences are those in which we ask question. Interrogative sentences. In which we ask question and it always ends up with the question mark. So how can we form these sentences? In this video we will learn about this thing, that how the simple sentences will be converted into the interrogative sentences. Firstly, we will take one statement like I am rich. How can we convert it into the interrogative? Firstly, we will take the auxiliary verb am. Afterwards, we will take subject. Am I rich? And as I already told you that it will end up with the question mark. So, am I rich? Practice more sentences like these ones, like she is poor. How can we convert into the interrogative? Firstly, auxiliary verb is. Whenever we will bring it here, first letter will become capital. Is she poor? So, there is one more case when there will be no auxiliary verb. Then what to do? It happens in the simple present and simple past tenses. So, we will take that one example also. She plays table tennis. So here is no any auxiliary verb, but it is a simple present tense. We have already learnt about the tenses also in the previous term. So you should have to know about the tenses. How can we recognize the tense? So she plays table tennis. Whenever there will be simple present, then we have to use do or does. Do we will use with the plurals and does we will use with the singular. Does she play? Plays will become play only. Play table tennis. So here we have used does. If it will be in the plural, then we will use do. Like if here will be children, it is a plural, then we will write here do children play table tennis. So the next one is simple past. Here will be she did her duty. It is a simple sentence. It is in a past, simple past. So how can we will make interrogative? Did she did her duty? Did she do her duty? Because the second form will become first form in the interrogatives. So now, how many types of interrogative sentences are there? There are two types of interrogative sentences. Here is kinds of interrogative sentences. First is yes or no interrogative. Second is WH questions. In the yes or no, we simply ask the question whose answer will be yes or no. But in the WH questions, there will be more explanation will be there. So yes or no, like is this your pen? Here will be the answer only yes or no. Yes, it is my pen, or no, it is not my pen. Did you receive my message? This is all yes or no. Second one is WH questions. So WH questions are like when, who, what, where, whom. These all words starts with the WH. That is why we call these words WH questions. So we can ask what happened? What happened? So there will be no answer, only yes or no. There will be full explanation that something has happened. What happened, you have to explain more. In the WH question you have to give the more explanation. So this is all about the formation of interrogative sentences. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in the comment section box and try to solve all the exercises. Thanks and have a nice day.